my YouTube channel. It's me back with another video, and those who don't know me, my name is Ridwan, and yep, that is it. So today I'm gonna do a get ready chit chat kind of thing. I wasn't intending to film a YouTube channel, but as I was doing my makeup halfway through, I thought, why not film, talk with you guys, and also get ready. So I have 2 hours to get ready, going to eat outside with my family, and I thought, why not glam myself? So I've already done my eyebrows, I have my lashes on, I did my skincare routine, and I used my carrot moisturizer for my skin and my cuddly face water. And to fill in my eyebrows, I used this stuff. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but yep. And now we are going to do my face makeup, if that is a word. But for you to enjoy my video and to make it more interesting, I asked you guys to ask me some questions. And I don't know, I'm talking too fast. This is way too fast for me. But I asked you guys to ask me some questions on Instagram and Twitter, and yeah, and we are gonna answer those questions, do my makeup, and I hope you enjoy it. So first of all, I'm gonna do a face primer, but I'm gonna use a water face primer. So and let's open some questions as this thing dries up. So the first question is, what is your favorite makeup item or makeup product? Okay, this is a really good question because sometimes it's hard for me to think of what makeup item I will choose. So, but my favorite makeup item is a lip gloss or a lip moisturizer. I will throw anything else just to have this one. Yep. And I think I talked way too much, and now I'm gonna move on doing my makeup. Do I say the products or do I just apply my makeup? Let us see. I'm gonna say the products. So I'm going to use the Trendy Wrap Illuminator. I think people who know me and my family, my friends, they know that skin product or the base is really important for me. So I love that glowy, gonna kill you, gonna blind you thing. And this smells really good. Like, this is my favorite illuminator, and this one is also a really important product in my life. This is the iconic London illuminator, but this one I'm gonna use it as a highlighter base, so I don't look all glitter or anything like that. But this one is milled. This one like skin. It makes you look like a glazed donut. I'm moving on with my foundation. Today I'm gonna mix 2 foundations. One is the NYX Total Control, and the other one is Douglas Ultra Light. These foundations look exactly the same. This one is a little bit yellow undertone or anything like that, but they are pretty similar. So I'm gonna mix it on my hand. Ooh, I took really big dip. So this one is this one is almost over. And now let's ask some questions. So the next question is a question that I really think about sometimes. Like, this one is a really good question. It says, I forget how to speak English whenever I'm in front of the camera. But the question is, what do you think about school drama? That's what I'm talking about. So school drama is not a really big thing in my life or in my school life, but whenever I think about this question, it makes me realize how boring, like, how boring my school life is, but in a good way. I don't like drama. Like, people say I don't like drama, but I really don't like drama, and it's not like a daily thing in my life. I don't know why, but I think that's a really good thing for me. But school drama is not in my life, like, no go. And let me just do my foundation. I look like an orange potato. Like, the foundation is way too light for my face, but it matches my skin, my neck, my skin. Yeah, pretty one, you're really good, my skin. It's a really good. I look like an orange potato. Whoa. Oh. If you wonder, I'm checking myself on the viewfinder, and I'm really surprised. Oh. I'm really surprised how like and what do you think about these loop earrings? I don't wear that much of accessories. Like, I just wear a necklace or a ring, but I am not an earring girl. Never forget the neck. Oh, ow. Like, you guys, you don't know how orange I think I look right now. Like, look how orange I look. Just bear with me, cause I'll blend my foundation to the heaven. Like, my hand can get tired. I can take 2 hours just blending my face, but I won't go without blending things down there. Now that I'm done blending my foundation, I'm gonna use 2 concealers. The first one is the LA Pro Conceal, and the second one is the Maybelline For Me. I'm gonna cover up with this one and brighten up my under eyes with this one. So first I'm gonna use this one. Do that shit. You won't see a lot from this one because it is really close to my skin tone, and that is why we are going to use this one to brighten up. So let us open some questions so you don't have to feel bored or any kind of stuff. You feel me? Yep, I got you. Let's search for some juicy questions. So this is not that juicy, but my best friend, and she knows that she's my best friend, but she asked me, who's your best friend and what do you love her or about him? What do you love about him or her? So she just wants me to hear say that she's my best friend, but let's see. So my best friend, she knows herself. So the real question is, what do I love about her? So my best friend is really funny. She's really funny, but not as funny as I am, but she's funny. And like, it looks like I'm just dissing my best friend, but no, she really makes me laugh. She lifts up my mood every time that I'm not in a good mood, and that's like every day. And yeah, and she's really smart, like super duper smart, super smart, funny, and she has a positive energy, I don't know why I don't know how to talk, but she's got a positive energy. She's really positive. She looks things in a different perspective, and that's what I look in a best friend or any person that I want to keep in my life. So positivity is the key. So now I'm gonna contour my face with the Anastasia cream contour. So as you can see, it's almost over. I used like every single thing there. Which brush? I'm gonna use this one. Framing. What a snap. Like these ears, what do you think about them? They're big, they're beautiful. Did you guys hear the new song from Shawn Mendes? Like, it's really a bang. Like, it changed my life. Like, sometimes I forget that I'm filming halfway through and I'm just like silent, like dead silent. But we're almost there. We are getting there. So if I gotta choose someone, it must be her. She's been here since day one. I guess I'm alright. So I set my face, but my effing camera just went on, hit itself and shut down. So I have to wait 20 minutes, and this has been like sitting on like 15 minutes, and now I'm gonna wipe everything out. But first I'm gonna take a little bit of the powder that I was using to set my face, just to set my face. But I just realized that you will be hearing car noises every time. Like, it just happens when I'm filming or when I need to film. That's it. Now I'm gonna contour my face using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. So I'm gonna use all these 4 colors. First I'm gonna start with this one. Where's my contour the shit out of this one. Then I'm gonna use these 2 colors, and I'm trying to multitask, so and contour my face too. And now I'm gonna contour like under my lip. And I'm gonna use my finger just to get rid of harsh lines, and then I'm gonna use the what's remain on the brush on my lid I'm going to underline my waterline. So I'm going for a brownie smoky-ish eye. So I'm gonna use this brown $1 pencil and I'm gonna line my waterline. So that I have 2 weeks of spring break. People tend to ask me, what are you doing at your free time, or what are your plans? My plans are just to sit down, watch TV, and that is it. I think like that's my daily routine, like just eating, sitting, and sleeping, and watching TV, and that is it. Now I'm gonna use my contour shade just to set the brown so that it doesn't smudge, like in 2 minutes. A lot of people ask about my skincare. You always compliment my skin, so, and I don't know, I just put some stuff on my face and that's it. I think I will thank my mom for my skin. So for blush, I'm gonna use one of these colors, and this is the Anastasia Modern Recency, and I'm gonna take these 2 colors and use it as a blush. Ooh. So now I'm gonna use my iconic London Illuminator as a base for my highlighter.
I'm gonna use my finger to blend it out.
Now to top it off, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked, and I'm gonna use this highlighter brush. I did my lips off camera with the NYX Intense Butter Gloss with the Kylie Jenner lip liner, but now I'm gonna top it on with a $1 lip gloss and intense it up. Ooh. I think we're gonna add a little bit more. Yeah, and that's it. So guys, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. I'm back, and those who don't know me, YouTube video.
Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood.
هذا الدواء. روح بقى انت كبح. ناقص. اوكي